ହୁଁ।
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଭିଡିଓଟା ପଠେଇଛି ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବରୁ, ଗୋଟେ ଦେଖିବେ, ମତେ କହିବେ କେମିତି ହେଇଛି।
ମାନେ
କେମିତି ହେଇଛି ଦେଖିକି ମତେ କହିବେ ଆଉ।
okay, so I start with the another function. Okay, it is a seed function. Okay, and what is the work of this seed function? If you have the copy, write it. We use the random int rand int that generate the random number every time we run the program. It create a new set of value. Then here we are using a seed function. Seed is used word for word. I will show an example. Okay, so this example is describe the work of a seed. Okay, so I write here import numpy as np dot random dot seed s2l arr dot np dot random dot rand int 100, then it is coming to the 10. Okay, so now I run this program. Okay, what it gives you the output. Sorry, I have to write print arr. Print arr. Figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 value it is giving you. Okay. It is what? Now it return the same random number till we have the integer passed to the second array. Okay. So change the integer as passed to the seed to the any computer. Okay. So here we pass what? np.random seed. Normally ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ random use କରୁଛେ ତାର work ଟା କଣ ନା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ rand int use କରିବା, that function generate the random number every time we run the program. Okay, again I run see there, what happened? Is it change the number? See there,
सर चेंज होने
so it will return the same random number till we change the integer passed to the seed to any computer. Okay, seed 2
चेंज।
सर सीट टा कौन रैंडम डॉट सेट
seed work is what? Now it is fix the number. Okay, like if you use random number seed, so it fix that value. Okay, if I pass
means sir, if we'll pass 2, then it will be changed for 2 times. 4, then it will be changed for 4 times.
नहीं हमें 2 पास कले, so you run it 2 time I run, 3 time I run, 4 time run. Okay, it is generating that number. Okay, the seed generate a fixed set of random number. It generates the fixed set of random number. Okay, if I pass here 9, it is generate the random number up to 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 number generate. But the value is starting from where? The value is starting from 1 to 100. It is print all the value from 1 to 100. Random number work is what? Random number work is for generating a random number. But if you want to fix that random number, then we use what? We use this seed value. Okay, so if we don't write anything, it will change. It will change. If I pass seed value 1,
Means if we write there 4, then it will provide us a set of 4 fixed random numbers.
yes,
4 different fixed random numbers.
that's all. A fixed random number. One, two, three, four. Okay, if I choose a 5, this value is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If I pass 6, then check here. Okay. So in this way, it has changed. Random number has changed. Okay, but every time you run, so it is generating the same size. Got it? Bujhela, Amit. I get it out.
ହଁ ସାର୍ ବୁଝିଗଲା
Huh?
ସାର୍ ସିଟ୍ ଟା ବୁଝିପାରିଲିନି ସାର୍ 5 ଲେଖିଲେ ବି ସେ ଆସୁଛି 6 ଲେଖିଲେ ବି ସେ ଆସୁଛି ମାନେ ଫିକ୍ସଡ ଖାଲି
Random number होची ये जो seed रो actually काम होची that the function itself when I कहवा it will fix the value. This being the it will fix the value. NumPy random is simply a function that set a random seed of the NumPy pseudo random number generated. Pseudo means false. Okay, it provide a essential input and enable the NumPy to generate the pseudo random number. माने pseudo means false random number generate करियो. Okay. And seed is what? Seed is it is fix the number. Okay, even that is say that when the number is generated, the pseudo random number generated, it appear to be random. ଆମେ random way ରେ ଆମେ यूज करियो. तो एठी हमर दीटा वैल्यू अछि. गोटे होछि कोन साइज रहइबो. केतरा साइज रो वैल्यू हमें रिटर्न करिवा. तापर हमर सीड वैल्यू केतरा अछि. Okay. So for example, we will create a this pseudo random number, one number seed. Okay. So it assures that these number are not random and in the fact completely determined in the algorithm. If you run the same code again and again, you will exactly get the same number. Okay. हमें जदि pseudo random number एठी 0 दबा you have to pass any value 0 serious you have to pass any value. This sense to make it blank, then what? Then the thing has changed. Okay, suppose I write another program. Seed is 0. Then I pass here 10. Size is equal to 5. Okay, the output is 50335. 5 element it is showing you. I pass here 10. It will generate the random number between 10. And always it is showing you this value. Simply the algorithm produce an array with the value 50337. Okay. এটা automatically a value টা আমাকে show করিব. Okay, but you have to pass any seed value. It may be starting from 0. If you pass here 1, then automatically it is calculated. The value is changed. If you pass here 2, but it is fixed. If you pass here 3, okay. So you have to pass the value. Okay, only you have to pass the seed, then automatically the value is. I mean, 0 to starting kare the seed. If you pass any value in the seed, that means it make you constant. बुझेला
हाँ सर
0 भी pass करि परिबा, but you have to pass any value here. प्रियदर्शनी बुझेला बुझेला
Yes, sir.
So already I show you how to create a one-dimensional and two-dimensional array. Okay, so previous class रे देखे one-dimensional and two-dimensional array. Okay, so here I pass with the word seed. Creating or defining the two-dimensional array. Creating and defining the two-dimensional array. Okay, so here we pass the 2D array. 2D array means it is having a two row. Okay, and if you check here, 2 row and 2D is what? Like 1D and 2D. 2D is have this one. So I just show you.
Row and column. Having row and column.
Having how many row and how
Row
many
and
column?
column.
Yes. It is not having 2 row and 2 column, multiple row and multiple. Okay. It is counting as 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the 3 index value that we're using 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And how you get this value? As you know that for getting the value, this position is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. Okay, so these are the index number position. So and for getting the index number, we are using double bracket, like 0, 0 index number. Is 0, 1. Okay, so in this way, we retrieve the value for the index number. Okay. Then how you get this value? Okay, so for getting this value, indexing and slicing means what? For retrieving the element from the array. So you learn this thing in your Python to how to retrieve the element. For retrieve the element from the array, we're using for loop. Okay, so I show you how to print this element, two-dimensional array. So import numpy as np, then matrix. I define a matrix. Okay, sorry, matrix. Sorry, is equals to this one. So I'm creating an array. Okay, I will take the input here. Okay, I will create this value. Okay, interesting program. Row is equals to int enter number of rows, enter number of rows. Oh, sorry, I just did a wrong thing. I'm not taking a input here. Input, okay. Sorry, here I take then column is equals to enter number of column. Then for I in range, then I pass your row column. A is equals to array. Then for j in range row, A is blank. My voice is clear? Sagar,
Yes,
Amit?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I use extra fan, so that's why I'm asking. গরম হয়েছে? Okay, so for j in range you know that for retrieve array loop value, it is a nested for loop I am using. Column, then I will take the value. Val is equals to int import enter number a dot A dot append here. Then matrix dot append, here I pass A. Then I have to write for loop here. Indentation is for I in range row or J in range column. Print ARR I J comma end equals to then I write here enter number of rows 3 row, enter number of column 4, enter number 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 100, 130, 140. How many value pass? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just a minute. Looping is not ended. Two row, two column. 10.
सर प्रोग्रामर कोड एरर अछि
Programming में
मते लागुचे एरर अछि सर प्रोग्रामिंग काना 2 रो 2 कॉलम रे एते गुडे वैल्यू कोन होची
two row, एक बड़ा value भी अच्छी है.
सर टिके ऊपर नले प्रोग्रामिंग टा
int numpy as np matrix x ये लूपिंग किसी गड़बड़ है लाइन खड़ी है ठीक है matrix dot append then factor आयो second repeat node এটা তো ঠিক আছে 10 and 20 30 and 40
मैट्रिक्स टा ठीक दउछि बट इनपुट टा बहुत अधिक नउछि
input looping ଟା ଅଧିକ ନେଉଛି
सर सेटा कोन कॉलम होबो कि
ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ କରିଛି ଏଠୁ ବୁଝିହେଉଛି
ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ଲାଗୁଥିଲା ଭୁଲ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ମତେ ଲାଗିଲା ସେ ଜିନିଷଟା କାଇଁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଥିଲି
ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ ଏଠି ଦିଥର ଲେଖିଛି
ଗୋଟେ ଥର रो ପାଇଁ ଲେଖା ଅଛି ଆଉ ଥରେ जे ଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି रो ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ସେ ଭାବୁଥିଲି ଦି ଥର ରେ जे ଟା ପାଇଁ रो ଟା ପାଇଁ ଲେଖା ହୁଏ सर आधरे कोन लाइन टा इन्वॉल्व हुए कि लाइन भी एरर देखेबो लाइन पे कि
ହୁଁ
सर आपण एमती बैक स्पेस मारले तो मुझे पछोची लाइन पे एरर देखेबो कि एथरे Spacing
ମାନେ-
ଠିକ ନ ରହିଲେ
ଏବେ ଠିକ ଅଛି sir। ମୁଁ ଦି ଥର ଲେଖିଦେଇଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Okay, देखो এটা import numpy as NP. So I define a matrix. So it is asking for enter number of rows, enter number of columns for I in range row. মানে এটা লুপিং চল रहा है যেটা কি আমরা ভ্যালু গুড়াকে আমি append କରି ଚାଲିଲେ তারপরে এটা আমরা রিট্রাইভ কলা আর এটা আমরা লাস্ট রে কোন টাইপ র ভ্যালু আমাকে এটি শো করবে বুঝি পাইলে প্রোগ্রামটা
Yes, sir.
yes
প্রিয়দর্শিনী বুঝিয়েছি
Yes, sir.